The growing for mechanical keyboards reflects a larger trend of professionals and enthusiasts seeking better tools, much like schools seeking better library carts. Typists and gamers care about switch type, build quality, layout, and value. Librarians and teachers care about weight capacity, durability, maneuverability. List number: JFID Book Cart with wheels, 352 lbs rolling bookshelf utility cart with V-shaped shelves, hooks, stands, unilateral placement. The JFID Book Cart is a heavy-duty solution ideal for busy school libraries and classrooms. With a 352 pounds weight capacity, it can easily carry large volumes of books, binders, and supplies. The cart features V-shaped sloped shelves, which securely hold books in place while allowing for easy viewing and access. Hooks and side stands add extra utility for hanging bags or supplies. Its unilateral design saves space and makes it easy to fit against a wall or in a corner. The four caster wheels are sturdy and roll smoothly, even when fully loaded. Librarians love its robust construction and thoughtful design that keeps books from falling. List number: Tubstra 3-tier rolling utility cart with wheels. Supports 300 pounds total. Heavy-duty capacity for garage storage. The Tubstra 3-tier rolling utility cart is a versatile and rugged option, perfect for schools, offices, and even garages. It holds up to 300 pounds, with 3 spacious shelves that can fit books, supplies, and even laptops or AV equipment. Its deep shelves prevent items from sliding off, and the ergonomic handle makes it easy to maneuver. The durable plastic construction is easy to clean and resistant to scratches. The 4 swiveling wheels glide easily on hard floors and carpets, and 2 of them lock for added stability. Teachers appreciate its multi-purpose design, using it not only in libraries but also as a mobile classroom cart. List number 3. Future Lab Portable Folding Service Cart. 3-tier, 330 lbs capacity. Rolling utility foldable cart with wheels. If storage space is limited, the Future Lab Portable Folding Service Cart is an excellent choice thanks to its foldable design. Despite being collapsible, it supports up to 330 lbs and offers 3 sturdy tiers to hold books, supplies, and more. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage in a closet or behind a door. The wheels roll smoothly and quietly, and the compact design is great for tight hallways or classrooms. Teachers and librarians love it for its portability and convenience, especially in environments where space comes at a premium. It's also a great option for events or temporary setups. List number 4. CDM Book Cart. 200 pounds library cart. 30 x 14 by 49 inch single-sided V-shaped sloped shelves. The CDM Book Cart is purpose-built for libraries with a focus on stability and easy book access. With a 200 pounds capacity, it is ideal for small to medium-sized schools or classrooms. The single-sided V-shaped sloped shelves securely hold books in place and make titles visible for quick selection. Its steel frame construction is strong and durable, while its compact footprint allows it to fit into tighter spaces. The wheels provide smooth movement even when fully loaded, and the cart feels stable and well-balanced. Teachers and librarians appreciate the clean design and dedicated book-friendly shelves that keep books organized and accessible. List number 5. Elefar's extra-large heavy-duty utility cart, 39.9 by 24.6 inch work cart, big 2-tier plastic rolling service cart with deep shelves. The Elefar's extra-large heavy-duty utility cart stands out with its sheer size and heavy-duty construction. Measuring nearly 40 inches long, it offers ample space for books, supplies, and larger equipment. Its 2 deep shelves prevent items from sliding off, and its wide, stable base supports heavy loads with ease. The cart is made from durable, easy-to-clean plastic and is equipped with strong caster wheels for smooth rolling. This cart is ideal for large libraries or classrooms where high capacity and ruggedness are crucial. It's also useful beyond the library, perfect for moving bulky supplies, AV equipment, or even catering needs at school events.